first brown spot or that first yellow leaf. It can feel like a failure.
But what if it's not a sign of death, but a message? Your Fiddle Leaf Fig is trying to talk to you. Today, we're going to learn its language and become plant whisperers.
Your first listen in this new language often starts with its most common word, the brown spot. When you see a brown spot, don't panic. Look closer. Is the spot dark, a bit soft, and appearing on the lower or middle leaves? Your plant is likely whispering about a problem at its roots. Too much water and not enough oxygen. This is the beginning of root rot. But if the spot is light brown, dry, and crispy, and it's on a top leaf that gets hit by the afternoon sun, that's a different message. That's a sunburn. So how do we crack the case for sure? Here's the real pro tip. Think like a detective. The location of the spot is your biggest clue. Spots in the middle of the leaf often mean a water issue coming from the roots up. Spots on the edges often mean an environmental issue from the outside in, like sun or dry air. Next up, the confusing case of the yellow leaf. This can mean two opposite things. If multiple leaves are turning yellow, especially from the bottom up, and they feel a bit soft and limp, it's usually saying the same thing as the brown spots. I'm drowning, too much water. But if the yellowing leaf feels dry and crispy and the soil is pulling away from the sides of the pot, the message is much simpler. I'm thirsty. But before you worry about any yellow leaf, let me share a piece of wisdom that brings a lot of peace of mind. This might be the most important tip of the day. Not all goodbyes are sad. An occasional yellow leaf at the very bottom of the plant that drops off over a long period is often just old age. It's the plant's natural life cycle. If it's just one leaf now and then and the rest of the plant is happy, don't panic. Finally, what if the whole plant just looks sad and droopy? 9 times out of 10, this is a simple cry for help. I'm thirsty. Check your soil. If it's bone dry, you've found your answer. Give it a thorough soak and watch the magic happen. But if you've watered it and the soil is moist and the leaves are still down, it might be talking about shock from being moved, repotted, or a sudden cold draft. So how can you tell the difference with confidence? Here's a simple diagnostic trick that never fails. Use your sense of touch. Gently feel the leaves. If they feel soft and limp, like wilted lettuce, it's almost certainly thirst. If they feel firm and rigid but are so pointed down, it's likely shock or another environmental stressor. By learning to read these signals, you've moved beyond just being a caretaker and have become a true partner to your plant. You can now solve its problems. Next time, we'll focus on the exciting part, encouraging new growth, propagating, and shaping your plant into a beautiful masterpiece. Ready to continue our Fiddle Leaf Fig journey together? Show some love with a like and subscribe so you don't miss part 4. For everything else, you know what to do. Just leave it to me.